Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? So there's a bunch of stuff going on in this video, but before we start doing anything, I'm extremely excited to announce my new partnership with UnderGround Tuning. As you can see in that box back there, they have a whole new tune for this car. It's going to take this car to a whole new level. There will be a drift mode, there will be a flame mode, and it'll all be controlled through an app on my phone. So that's extremely cool. We're gonna be doing the tune in the next video, but in this video I'm about to go up to an upholstery shop, get a shift boot made for the drift cat, because as you know, this thing is in dire need of a shift boot to complete the entire interior. Like I said, I want to do black leather and then red stitching to match the seat belts. So we're gonna head up to an upholstery shop here in a minute, but first let me unbox what's in this box that they sent me. Once again, huge shout out to UnderGround Tuning. I'm gonna pop up their Instagram here. They are now the main sponsor of this car. So as you can see, UnderGround Tuning, boom, bunch of stickers, bunch of keychains. So if you see me at the next event, I will have stickers, I will have keychains to hand out. Huge shout out to them for sending a bunch of stuff. Flyers as well if you're interested in getting UnderGround Tuning tune on your vehicle. Super simple. I'm gonna run through the box for you guys real fast. So first off, they sent me a brand new grip tech pulley with their logo on it. Beautiful pulley. As you can see, UnderGround Tuning right there. This is a 275 pulley, and it comes with, we're gonna be throwing this on in the next video, but just showing you guys this versus what's on the car currently. A super faded, it's pretty much pink now. It used to be red anodized. Huge upgrade from the pulley that I have on now. And then they sent the tuning device. So like I said, we're going to be doing the tune in the next video, but just a quick rundown. All you have to do is plug in this device into your OBD2 port, download the app on your phone, and it'll pretty much walk you through the entire tuning process. They give you step-by-step instructions as well. Super cool. Huge shout out to UnderGround Tuning. Really cool guys. Like I said, there's going to be a drift mode and a flame tune that you could just turn on and off through the app, which is crazy. It's kind of unheard of. There's not many companies, if any companies at all, where you can just change your tune through the app on your phone. One of the huge benefits of the drift tune is it'll give this car a rev limiter. If you've ever redlined these cars, you know that it has a soft rev limiter. It doesn't go ba 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 like a LS motor or something like that. You hit rev limiter, it's gonna be like bang 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 bang. You know, these cars just have a soft rev limiter, so you hit redline, it's like wah. With the drift tune, it'll actually have a rev limiter, so I'll be able to bang off rev limiter and it'll make a bunch of cool sounds and stuff. As you can tell, I'm just extremely happy, extremely excited. Once again, huge shout out to them for the new partnership. Once we get the livery done, there's going to be a lot of advertisement for them on the car. So in the next video, we'll be throwing on the brand new pulley as well as uploading the brand new tune. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But let's play some musical cars real quick. Get the drift cat out of here so we can run up to the upholstery shop, try and get this shift boot made today, and then I'm gonna head up to my guys at Delta Designs and Signs and then get this rendering done for the livery. So let's get to it. If you guys are watching this video when it's uploaded, happy Thanksgiving. If you're not a Thanksgiving person, then happy holidays. So let's get the drift cat out of here. Good cold start on the turbo marrow. Let's see if she starts up. It's a little cold, and E85 does not react well to cold. See? There we go. E85 cold starts be kind of rough. Just wait for this thing to warm up. Nice and warmed up. Let's get going. And we're gonna have to go grab more E85 because We're a little low. And a couple days ago, I was able to go over to Artwork, put this thing on the lift, do a nut and bolt check. We fixed a couple issues, and we checked out the clutch going through the little inspection hole using the camera. Clutch looks perfectly fine. Everything looks good in there, so I'm happy. Plus, we figured out how to get rid of the reverse camera. Or the gap cam, if you will, and we're gonna be creating a kit to be able to turn that on and off. So if you're interested in purchasing a gap cam, because honestly, this will be really, really cool to see, you know, tire marks, and if you're racing, you'll be able to see, you know, someone getting gapped. Hence why it's called the gap cam. And honestly, I'm excited about the gap cam because with the new tune, there's an option for a flame tune that you can turn on and off. So we'll be able to see some flames inside the cabin using the gap cam. It's just, it's gonna be crazy. Time out. I'm really excited to get a new tune because if you notice, it has a little bit of hesitation, and I think it's because it's running a little rich. Not necessarily positive, but we'll get that fixed shortly. As you can hear, it's got a little bit of burble, but I think that's just because it's running rich. These downshifts will never get old. Shit sounds so good. Let's grab some E. Good 85. Alright, let's go get this new shift boot made. I'm excited, and that'll really tie the whole manual swap together. Because right now it kind of looks, You guys watched my last video, which was a full build breakdown of the car. I showed you guys, because of the pulley setup that we have, it has some belt slips. So with that Grip Tech pulley, there's gonna be a lot more grip on the pulley, so there's not gonna be as much belt slip, which eliminates the squeak, which a lot of people, sometimes at events, I'll get like, I think your car's messed up, like you should check it out, there's like a squeak or something. That'll eliminate that. It might just be me, but is there a lot more elderly people on the road that should not be behind the wheel? I don't know if it's just me, but I'm running into a lot of people that should not be driving at all. It might just be the holidays, but geez, bro. Jeez. Just pulled up to the shop. This is O&R Auto Upholstery. If you've ever been in El Sobrante before, you've seen this place. OG spot. Been here for probably longer than I've been alive. But waiting on the owner to pull up now. Then we're going to talk about doing a custom little shift boot for this thing. All right. So it's a little bit late today. It's like 2 o'clock right now. They said they wouldn't be able to get it done today. Most likely going to come Tuesday. And then they'll knock it out. Like I said, black leather. Probably do a double stitch just to match the red seat belt. Something super simple. But now let's pull up at my guys at Delta Signs and Designs, and let's get this livery render all figured out. There's a lot of companies on board, so we're gonna have to measure and do a bunch of shit. So let's go. Yes, sir. Got a cool little mission, bunch of traffic on the way to Delta Signs and Designs. We're gonna vibe out to this Larry on the way there. Good job, Jensen. Numbers. Alright, nice little saline. Slow. I don't even think that's a real saline, but hey. Blowing up your phone, I know he hella high. I know this lifestyle going crazy, but no photo. Alright. right, just pulled up on my guys at Delta Signs and Designs.
What's good?
About to get the drift cat right with the new livery. Do a little shop tour real quick. So if you need any type of merch done, graphic design, signs, stickers, anything, this is the guy to come to for sure. We're about to do a quick little render and we're gonna show you guys what we come up with. But as you can see, definitely not new to this. Bro's got some skills.
This is black, but it's just the opacity has dropped so much, and it's on that floor, the holographic, right?
And it almost has like a raised font to it too.
Exactly.
Huh?
That's the UV spot gloss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be down to do something like raised too, if that.
Yeah, that's what I think we're gonna do, just to show it off.
Yeah, make it pop more.
Right? That's how I get these to pop too. See, I got like the matte with the gloss.
Yeah, that's dope.
There's just so much shit we can play with that you don't think about. Like these ones come out hard too. This is actually J&D Embroidery's artwork, but we just play. He always sends it to me to play with, you know, to like do like the mattes and shit like that. Yeah, he does these. The opacity changes with the colorways. So clean.
Yeah, there's so many options that we can go with. What we're kind of leaning towards is because my calipers are reflective white, the emblems are reflective white, so we're thinking all the lettering will be in reflective white, but we're trying to decide if we should do like a gloss black outline with raised font, something. I don't know. That's why I came to my guy, because he knows the small touches that set shit off that make it look a lot better.
This is actually made for like street signs and shit.
Okay, yep. Yeah, hell yeah. That'll look good. We're gonna knock out some measurements. So it'll be one logo on the top fender. Probably 3 or 4 going down the fender. And then I think 3 or 4 going across the side skirt. One main one on the side of the whole car. And it'll be symmetrical. So it'll be the same on both sides. Do one across here. Throw HelloooimJensen either on top of the window or bottom of the window. This is gonna go, this stripe will be gone. And then probably throw something back here. Have a few on the window. There's a lot of logos going on this thing. All right, back at the house now, but I just want to give a huge shout out to every sponsor that hopped on board for the year 2025. We got, here, let me pull up the list. We got Stay Shitty, we got Fuck How You Feel. Huge shout out to everyone that's hopped on board already. We might be able to get a couple more people on there, so if you're interested, hit me up. Definitely worth it for the promo and advertising that I'm going to do for all the companies. Once again, huge shout out to all those companies that hopped on board. And of course, huge shout out to UnderGround Tuning. Without you guys, it would be extremely difficult to keep all this going, spending as much money as I am on the cars and tires and rims and gas and trying to get to as many events as possible. So once again, huge thank you to all you guys. That's pretty much going to be the end of this video. On Monday, I'll go get that shift boot made, so I'll bring you guys along for that. Right now, I'm about to go meet up with Art. We're going to put the new pulley on there, do those supercharger snout bushings, plus we're going to be doing that tune, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. Deuces.